at Epps with the weather, ready to taxi.
Fisher Ground, runway 21 left, taxi via Bravo, Hotel Alpha, cross 34.
21 left via Bravo, Hotel Alpha, cross 34.
Welcome aboard our flight in the Cessna CJ from PDK to Lawrenceville. It's a quick flight, only about 10 minutes long, so come along.
DC Tower, turn left heading 090, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff.
Left takeoff, 21 left turn, heading 090.
Departing PDK, we're nice and light at 8,000 pounds. So our V1 or decision speed will be 92 knots. Our rotation speed will be 100 knots. Our V2, which is our single engine climb out speed, is 104. And then our VENR, which is our en route single engine climb speed, is 115.
Airspeed's alive. Got 70 knots. It's V1. Rotate. Got a positive ready climb. Gear up. Gears coming up.
Continue that left turn 090, contact departure.
Continue left turn over departure. 3000 heading 090. We have Quebec at Lawrenceville.
Expect the ILS runway 25 approach ident.
We're expecting the ILS 25 and ident.
Radar contact 2 miles southeast of the Cap B Street at 3000.
Now that we're in the air, you can see today's weather is not the best. It's about 500-foot ceilings and rain.
Turn 10 degrees left.
10 degrees left.
With this being a short flight and not burning much gas, we'll still use 8,000 pound numbers. So our approach speed will be 105 knots, and our VREF will be 98 knots.
Left turn heading 340.
Turn left heading 280, intercept the localizer.
Left turn heading 280 to intercept.
6 miles from the Gwinnett NDB, maintain 3000 till established localizer, clear ILS runway 25 approach.
6 miles from Gwinnett. Maintain 3000 till established, cleared for ILS 25.
Charlie, contact tower.
Over to tower. Good afternoon, Gwinnett Tower. Citations ILS 25.
Citation Gwinnett Tower, good afternoon. Wind 2708, runway 25, go to land. Cross flight position 5.
Land 25.
500 above.
Taxi ramp, we'll monitor ground. Bases were about 1600 ends, just like green.
Thank you for joining along. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Click the bell notification to stay updated on new videos.